This is a win for Bitcoin and overall crypto markets. And this definitely helps everything. And it goes from Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the way down the list, right? Anyways, we're going to talk about this today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. But look at this right here. Japanese investment bank Nomura launches Bitcoin fund for institutional investors. Now, anything that allows institutional investors to pretty much access Bitcoin at such an easy pace, and the same thing with overall crypto markets, this is very good for crypto markets because that's where the real money is. That's where the big money's coming from. By 2025, they predict Bitcoin's market cap will be at, well, not Bitcoin, but the overall crypto market's market cap will be at $6 trillion. Right now, you can see it's at $1.1 trillion. So they predict by 2025, the overall cryptocurrency market cap will be at a whole of $6 trillion. And that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money right there. So if that is the case, then we got to think about where we are right now in the crypto market. We're at a very, very, very good point of time right now in the crypto market. We're doing very good. Now, at the peak, the crypto market was somewhere up here around like 3 trillion. That's where it's showing over here in the November of 2021 and showing it was at like $3 trillion for the overall crypto market cap. So that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money, right? And then if you're looking at for altcoins here, altcoins at the peak of the market was around 1.7 million, give or take, is about 1.7 trillion, not million. That's a lot of money, though. That's a lot of money. That's doing very, very good. As for the stable coins, you can see the different stable coins here, what they were doing. There was a lot of money inside stable coins as well at the peak of the market. The DeFi market cap was doing pretty good as well at about $51 billion inside of DeFi. Well, that's in the last 90 days. But if we're looking at the complete peak here for DeFi, that was 153 billion inside of market cap, which is a lot of money. Now, I personally think that the Bitcoin dominance it's probably going to stay dominant forever. Like, I don't think Bitcoin's ever going to be taken out of dominance, but I do think that eventually, we're going to start seeing all these different altcoins catching up to Bitcoin. But Bitcoin's dominance is it's impeccable, and that's what you're looking at here. This is Bitcoin dominance in its whole essence here. But this is still good for the whole overall crypto market because if Bitcoin is now available for more institutional investors for that Bitcoin fund, that's just a whole good look for us for crypto in general. And eventually, these institutional investors are going to start looking at altcoins as well. So let's go ahead and read this. It says, Laser Digital Asset Management, a subsidiary of Nomura, has unveiled its Bitcoin Adoption Fund. This initiative aims to provide institutional investors with a streamlined and efficient gateway into the rapidly evolving digital asset space, potentially positioning itself as one of the most economical and secure investment avenues currently available. So this launch marks just the beginning, as Laser Digital Asset Management has expressed intentions to roll out a broader suite of digital adoption investment tools in the near future. And this is exactly what I was talking about, a broader suite of digital adoption investment tools in the near future. That is a fancy way of saying they're going to have altcoin funds as well for these same institutional investors. That is very good for the crypto market. It's very, very good because, they're probably going to put Dogecoin on there. They're probably going to put Ethereum on there, Cardano, all these other different projects, which is going to be pretty much increasing the market cap for these projects. It's going to be increasing the volume. It's going to really help these projects stabilize. Now, obviously, we see like Cardano and stuff like that is stabilized. I'm talking about other cryptos, that move a little bit more sporadically, like Dogecoin and stuff like that, right? But yeah, we're definitely going to see some nice increases here in the whole overall broader market just because of now we're getting more institutional investors getting in on Bitcoin through these avenues. Now, the Bitcoin Adoption Fund is part of the Laser Digital Funds SPC, a segregated portfolio company which is registered as a mutual fund. In a bid to ensure the utmost security for the fund's assets, Laser is partnering with Komeinu Inu. So I guess they're another Inu thing. But yeah, Komeinu Inu, established in 2018. Komeinu Inu is a regulated digital asset custody solution resulting from the collaborative efforts of Nomura Ledger and coin shares. So I think this is a good look for crypto. And honestly, the fact that the partner that they're using is Com Inu, it's just, if you think about it, like the word Inu, it screams meme coin, right? This isn't a whole meme coin thing here, but just the fact that they have Inu in their name just shows maybe they're meme coin friendly, right? Maybe they are. Maybe they'll put Shiba Inu in their fund. But anyways, at the forefront, a laser at the forefront of laser digital asset management operations is Sebastian, this guy, whoever he is, blah blah blah. I guess he went to Harvard. All right, cool story. But yeah, this is definitely pretty good for us. Now it says this is their direct quotes. By the way, they said technology is a key driver of global economic growth and is transforming a large part of the economy from analog to digital. Now, this is a pretty big statement because every single institutional investor out there in all these investment funds for institutional investors, they kind of say the same thing, but in different fancy ways. They're pretty much saying crypto is the future and we're not missing out on this opportunity. We're going to be here at the forefront of it while the prices are down. That's pretty much what they're telling you here. So that's a very good sign that we're inside of good standing here with crypto. And I think anything below $30,000 Bitcoin is a good buy. Like 27K is a good buy, even though I still personally believe we're probably going to end up pulling back to 15K. I personally believe that there's still the possibility that we can do that, right? I feel like we're at this point right here where everybody thinks we're about to take off again, but we just pull back. And the same with this one here. Everyone thinks we're about to take off again, but we just have a pullback right before the takeoff. So I think there's going to be one more pullback, bringing us back down to 15K before the actual takeoff for the bull market. And remember, April 26, 2024, that is going to be the Bitcoin halving, and that's what we're watching out for. So I just kind of want people to know this because, a lot of people always mention like the halving and stuff like that, but nobody actually, knows when it actually is. Like, well, not nobody, but a lot of people don't actually know when the Bitcoin halving is. So that's why I like to like reiterate this all the time. Like around April 25th, 2024. That's going to be around the Bitcoin halving day, sometime around there. So you can also look at this. This is a countdown for it. So they count this down, which is inside of 210 days. Everybody has a different day time because remember it's when those blocks are fully completed. You don't exactly know when, like the exact date all those blocks are going to be completed, right? Because it's just random because this is just where they're estimating it to be. They're estimating April 16th. Some are estimating April 25th. Some are estimating April 26th. But we know sometime in April of 2024 is when we're going to be getting it. And they have the whole Bitcoin halving pretty much explained to you here. Now, I already talked about this in a previous video, so I'm not really going to go over it too much. So if you want to look it up, you can look at this. It says buybitcoinworldwide.com if you want to. And actually, I could do a whole video on exactly what the Bitcoin halving is. I'll probably just do that on my next video, right? But this, yeah, I'll do that on a whole nother video. But just to keep going with this, it says Bitcoin is one of the enablers of this long-lasting transformational change, and long-term exposure to Bitcoin offers a solution to investors to capture this macro trend. So they already know this is a trend and it's going to be an increasing trend. It's not going to stop. So that's what they're doing. They're getting in on this before they see it peak, right? Because right now is definitely the time to get in on this. So I would say don't miss your opportunity. Don't miss it because it's here. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And as always, I'll be back with another video.